turn around, don't drown when you do approach a flooded area. Very much like a roller coaster. We're going to see a warm up, but then a cool down. We've seen some bright blue skies and a slight breeze coming down, so helping us cool down just a little bit. Some of us are waking up to some fog for this morning. 7 different disturbances in the Atlantic right now. Grab the umbrella if you need to go outside for today. A cold front moving through right now, so that's why we're seeing quite a temperature variation. Just a few more hours and the rain will be moving out of the local 6 areas. As the temperatures drop, that rain changes from rain to a rain snow mixture. Black ice certainly possible tonight and tomorrow morning. And this is actually the 6th time Louisiana will be impacted from a hurricane or a tropical storm just in the 2020 season. We're saying a beautiful day. We're seeing sunny skies. We're talking sleet mixing with rain for this morning. May feel just a little bit cooler out there as we are tracking some gusty winds. So it's a little bit more on the slippery side tonight and tomorrow morning. So there is a chance for just a few flurries. I know we're all excited about talking about the potential for the first snowfall. Good evening, tracking some scattered showers and storms out there. Right now, things in the local 6 area are quiet and calm. Seeing some cloudy skies out there, but to our friends to the western portion of the local 6 area, tracking some scattered showers and storms out there at the moment, as well as a tornado watch and also a thunderstorm warning. Again, no active watches or warnings are in effect right now in the local 6 area, but things a little bit different. You see that shade of red right there, that is that tornado watch in effect about midnight tonight, and those outlines in the yellow right there, that is a thunderstorm warning. Again, no active watches or warnings in effect right now in the local 6 area, but of course things can be changing throughout the nighttime hours. Before you guys go to bed, I have something I have to ask you to do. Plug your phone in, make sure your phone is fully charged, and have that ringer turned on, because there is that chance for some watches and warnings to develop throughout the nighttime hours, and we want you guys to hear them in case you guys are asleep. Something else very interesting with the weather tonight, we're seeing temps warming up actually at the moment at 10:14. We're seeing temps in the mid to upper 60s. I see 71 degrees right now in Paducah. Earlier, our highs were in the mid 60s, now quite a bit warmer, so this is adding to the juices for the instability in the atmosphere, for the potential for some severe storms for tonight, since the temperatures are warming up, and also seeing some gusty winds out there. Wind gusts around 25, 30, even 40-mile-per-hour winds for folks in Carbondale. So strong winds are expected throughout tonight and a good portion of tomorrow. So timing out these storms, here's what we're expecting. Parts of southeastern Missouri, you guys will be seeing that rain fairly soon between 10 p.m. and 1 a.m. But then the rest of the local 6 area in those early morning hours between 1 a.m., 4 a.m. and also 7 a.m. So an active weather night is definitely likely for tonight. Again, turn that phone ringer on, please, just to be on the safe side with these showers and these storms. So looking at your hour-by-hour forecast, here's what we're expecting. By 1 a.m., the rain starts to move into the central portion of the local 6 area. Fast forward by 2 a.m., 3 a.m., 4 a.m., see that line of showers moving towards the eastern portion of the area. This is what we're really focusing on with these showers and these storms. But then later on tomorrow morning, a lot of that rain is gone. Eventually the rain will be gone and the clouds will be gone by tomorrow morning, seeing the return of some sunny skies, but still seeing some gusty winds out there for your Sunday. So this is going to be in effect about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning with those strong winds, a chance for some small hail, and can't rule out that chance for a brief tornado. And still looking at our outlook for tonight and tomorrow morning, still very similar compared to what we talked about earlier today. That green is that level 1 risk, and that yellow is that level 2 risk for the local 6 area. Now, as far as the wind advisory goes, has updated just recently. Most of us are under that wind advisory, so wind gusts around 30, 40, even 50 miles an hour are possible. Now, this wind advisory not in effect just yet. Will be in effect about another hour or so, right around midnight. Then by 6 p.m. it should be expiring, so gusty winds are on the way. And looking at these wind gust potentials, notice by midnight you see 48 miles per hour winds, so strong winds overnight tonight and also into tomorrow morning. Slowly calming down, but still fairly windy out there by 4 a.m. 25, even 30 mile per hour winds are expected throughout those morning hours. And by tomorrow afternoon, Still seeing some gusty winds on the way, but at least the sunshine will be back. So tonight we're talking scattered showers and storms, strong winds. Tomorrow, strong winds and some sunny skies. Here comes the sunshine for a good portion of this week, so it will be the calm after the stormy and windy weekend. Temperatures just a little bit cooler. Good Sunday morning. We saw some scattered showers and storms out there throughout those nighttime hours. Now waking up, we're really focusing on those strong winds. We have a wind advisory in place to about 6 o'clock this evening for parts of southern Illinois, western Kentucky, northwest Tennessee, and a few of our friends in southeastern Missouri. So gusty winds are likely once again for today. Just waking up at 6:06 this morning, the winds have actually calmed down compared to what we did see overnight. We saw winds around 45, even 50 miles an hour. Still possible for some strong winds for today, but seeing winds around 20, even 30, even 35, almost 40 miles per hour. But here's what we saw overnight last night. This is a loop from about 6 hours ago. Notice how fast this system moves across the local 6 area. And surprisingly, we didn't have any watches or warnings throughout those nighttime hours with this system rolling through. But a lot of us are done with the rain for today. Just a few of us in the eastern portion of the area seeing just a little bit of rain out there right now, but we'll be clearing out fairly soon, and that's what's back. The sunshine is back, but also some cooler temps will be back for today. Right now seeing temps in the mid-50s and really not going to be warming up a whole lot throughout the day for today. Maybe 1 or 2 degrees warmer by this afternoon. Mid to upper 50s are possible, but slowly cooling down by lunchtime already. Seeing some sunny skies and more clear skies and cool temps on the way throughout tonight, but you just can't beat the sunshine after an evening and nighttime hour full of rain. So as far as rainfall totals go from the past 24 hours, some of us saw ½ inch of precipitation. Some of us saw almost 2 to even 3 inches of rain. So quite a busy, active weather night last night, and seeing some gusty winds out there for today. But again, seeing some sunny skies. So at least it'll be sunny out there, but it also will be cool. 54 is our forecasted high for today, but also those winds 45 miles an hour. Things will be calmer going on into Monday and Tuesday. Sunny skies. Temperatures will be just a little bit cooler in the low 60s by Monday, the mid 50s by Tuesday, slowly warming up by the end of the week to the mid to upper 60s with plenty of sunshine.